check out this 46-piece Ratchet set. This has a bunch of different stuff that you might need. This is something unique that doesn't usually come in a lot of sets. Let me see what this is going to be used for. If you really need to put some effort into it, this is going to help you do that. You see, we got flat heads, we got star heads, we got Allen heads, we got Phillips of all kinds of different sizes. I'm going to give you guys a side view so you can see all the numbers correctly. Then our sockets, we got 4mm all the way up to 14mm. Got some extensions, got some adapters, got some Allen heads down there, swivel, ratchet, another extension, bendable extension. So as far as looking over these, see I got a big toolbox here. I got a ton of sockets, ton of wrenches. See, I got all kinds. So comparing these to my other ones, it feels pretty what you would expect. The teeth are, I'd say, average teeth as far as the amount. Feels nice and smooth. Flips back and forth just fine. We got the screwdriver head too. I don't know if I mentioned that. Bendable. Oh, this one's actually kind of nice. So you don't want these to bend too much, right? You want them to bend just because you want it to be stiff enough that you can actually turn this thing without it just cracking. So that's what's nice about this. Actually, it's pretty stout, which is usually not the case. So I like that about this one. Usually they're way too bendy. They look good. The chrome looks good. I got an 8mm bolt right here. What's the head's 13mm. Fits pretty good. Yeah. I can't say I have any complaints about this. The quality looks good. Gives you some good options as far as the adapters go, the extenders, the swivel, the bendable extender. Yeah, I like this set. If you're looking for a nice little set, I think this thing, whenever they sent me the listing, it was pretty affordable. Can't imagine you're going to have too many problems with this. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.